Can't imagine where you're going till you know where you've been. Where I lived, you never been, and you don't know how it feels. Politics is everywhere, just look up.
Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys the KAWS take in the blue version. But before we do that, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. As you guys can see, we got the figure right behind me, but I'm gonna start off showing you guys the box. You guys can see it comes in this blue box, KAWS Open Edition take. See the indented X's on the box. I think it gives it a nice luxury feel to the box, just having all these designs on it. Comes in this little plastic container. You want your item to come in good condition and protected. So I do like how KAWS packages their figures. Like I said, it gives a nice luxury feel having the designs on the box. It's packaged very nicely. Enough of the box, let's get into the figure. I want to say the dimensions on this are 13 inches high. I could be wrong. It's somewhere around there. I will leave the exact dimensions in the description below. You guys can see the little blue creature. You got the crossed out eyes. And he's holding the little like skeleton. They're very cool, just collectible items that I know a lot of people really like. A lot of people like to collect. Not only are they nice, but they're from a well-known artist and they are limited. That's what makes these things so expensive, and I think that's the main reason why a lot of people like to collect them. This one retailed at $360, maybe $390. It was somewhere around there. I honestly can't remember. But these things are currently reselling for $550 to $650 depending on the color. I want to say this one's around like $575, $550. The pink one's around $600, and then the black version is $650. Now, I definitely see that price going up in the future. If you want this figure, you should buy it now. I see these figures in a year reselling at $650 to $750. So if you got one, I think it's best if you hold on to it. The price will just keep going up with time. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the figure. Let me know what you take of all three colors. The black, pink, and then this blue one. Which one is your favorite? Did you cop? Are you gonna buy now that you've seen this video? What do you think about resale? Do you think the price is gonna keep going up, or do you think it's gonna go down? Let me know all that good stuff down below. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I ain't got the time to forget. Can't imagine where you're going till you know where you've been. Where I lived, you never been, and you don't know how it feels. Politics is everywhere, just look around where you're in. Tribulation, baby, I ain't got the time to forget. Crack up 20 years to life because the color of skin. Not to mention, it ain't help a single mother with kids. And then you wonder why them youngins used to do what they did. How you killing us and thinking that we gon' be your friend? When these killings gone in, I can't breathe. Grief was all that you give, all I see. When these killings gone in, I can't breathe. Grief was all that you give, all I see. Can't imagine where you're going till you know where you've been. Where I lived, you never been, and you don't know how it feels. Politics is everywhere, just look around where you're in. Tribulation, baby, I ain't got the time to forget. Can't imagine where you're going till you know where you've been. Where I lived, you never been, and you don't know how it feels. Politics is everywhere, just look around where you're in. Tribulation, baby, I ain't got the time to forget. Feeling lonely from our loved ones, all these thoughts in our heads. How you take away our loved ones and pretend we ain't care? We need closure, we the people ain't got much to